Hello! Welcome to Talk Emma Learn English. Here, we learn English by talking, listening, and practicing together.
Hi, everyone.
I'm Emma, and this is Jack. We make videos to help you speak English every day.
Yes, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. It helps us so much.
Today, we are talking about how to use the verb want.
We will practice listening, learn useful phrases, and have a fun conversation. Are you ready?
Let's begin. So, Jack, how are you today?
I am good. A little hungry.
Hungry? Oh no, what do you want to eat?
I want a big sandwich.
Oh, you want a sandwich. That's a good phrase. Actually, it connects to our topic perfectly.
It does? What are we learning today?
Today, we are learning all about the verb want. It's a very useful and common word.
Want. I think I know it, but sometimes the past tense is confusing.
I know. So today we will make it simple. We will look at how to use want in the past, the present, and the future.
All of them? Wow.
Don't worry, we will go step by step, and we will learn together. Okay, let's start with the present. Want is about a desire now. We say, I want, you want, he wants, she wants.
Right, so I want a new phone. She wants a new phone.
Perfect. But what about you and me together?
We want a new phone? Maybe.
Maybe. But yes, we want. And many people?
They want. Like, they want quiet in the library.
Excellent. Now let's make it negative. How do we say we do not want something now?
We say don't want. I don't want tea. You don't want tea. We don't want tea. They don't want tea.
Perfect. And for he or she?
He doesn't want tea. She doesn't want tea.
You got it. Now, let's talk about the past. This is important. The past of want is wanted. W-A-N-T-E-D.
Wanted. So for yesterday, I wanted coffee.
Yes, and for he?
He wanted coffee. It's the same for everyone?
It is. I wanted, you wanted, she wanted, we wanted, they wanted. All the same. Easy.
Oh, that is easy. So yesterday, we wanted to watch a movie, but the TV was broken.
That's a great full sentence. Now, negative in the past.
Didn't want. I didn't want to go. She didn't want to go.
Perfect. Now, future, for tomorrow, next week, next year. We use will want.
Tomorrow, I will want a big breakfast.
Yes, and we often say, I'll want. It's shorter.
I'll want. You'll want. She'll want.
Exactly. And negative future?
Will not want or won't want. I won't want dinner late tonight.
Great. Now let's practice questions. It's very important. To ask a question now, we start with do or does.
Do you want pizza?
Yes, I do. Or no, I don't. What about asking about him?
Does he want pizza?
Good. And for the past?
We start with did. Did you want pizza yesterday?
Yes. Did she want to come with us?
And for the future?
We start with will. Will you want coffee later?
Will they want to visit us next month?
Perfect questions. Now, let's mix them all together. I will say a time, and you make a sentence, okay?
Okay, I'm ready.
Good. Every day.
I want to learn English.
Good. Last summer.
I wanted to travel.
Next year.
I will want to find a new job.
Excellent. Now let's try negative. Right now.
I don't want to stop this lesson.
Aw, thank you. Last night.
I didn't want to cook, so we ordered food.
True story. Tomorrow morning.
I won't want to wake up early. It's Saturday.
I know the feeling. Now, a question for me. Ask me about the future.
Okay. Emma, will you want to go to the market with me on Sunday?
I will want to go, yes. Ask me about the past.
Did you want to be a teacher when you were young?
I did. I always wanted to be a teacher. Okay, one more thing. We often use want to before another verb.
Yes, I want to eat. She wants to sleep.
And it's the same in all tenses. Past.
I wanted to call you. They wanted to leave.
Future.
We will want to celebrate.
Perfect. You are doing so well. Let's have a final practice. Let's talk about your dream vacation.
Okay.
What do you want to see?
I want to see the mountains.
What did you want to see when you were a child?
When I was a child, I wanted to see the pyramids.
And in the future, when you are old, what will you want to see?
When I am old, I will want to see my grandchildren. Hopefully.
Oh, that's the best answer. That is perfect use of want. Past, present, and future. Great job, Jack.
Thank you, Emma. This is very useful.
Now, let's go through some very common, essential phrases we use with the word want. Jack, can you help me make some examples?
Sure. These are the phrases we hear every day. Like, I want to try. We say this when something is new.
Yes, like, I want to try that new cafe, or I want to try learning the guitar.
And there's I want you to. This is very important. We use it to ask someone for something nicely.
Right. I want you to be happy, or I want you to call me later.
What about, what do you want? That's so common.
It is, but be careful. It can sound a little strong. Sometimes, what would you like is softer. But with friends, what do you want to watch is perfect.
Okay. And then, if you want, we say this to give someone a choice.
Exactly. We can walk if you want. It means it's your decision.
I have a good one. Do you want me to? I say this all the time to you.
You do, and I love it. Do you want me to help? Do you want me to open the window? It's a very kind way to offer help.
And sometimes we say, I don't want to talk about it.
That's true. We say that when a subject is sad, private, or maybe we are annoyed. It means please stop asking.
But a happier one is, I really want to go. It shows strong excitement.
Perfect. I really want to see that movie. Now, for big life things, we say she wants to be for dreams and jobs.
He wants to be a pilot. They want to be parents.
And for invitations or plans, they want us to come.
Or, she wants us to arrive at 7 p.m.
Good. Now, in a restaurant, the waiter often asks, do you want anything else? Or will you want anything else?
And we can answer, no thank you. I don't want anything else.
Right. And a very kind phrase is, I just want to say. We use this before a thank you or an important opinion.
I just want to say thank you for your help. I just want to say I love this song.
Beautiful. Now, a useful negative phrase is, I don't want any trouble. It means you want a peaceful situation.
And for giving advice, we say, you might want to... It's a soft, friendly suggestion.
Oh, that's a great one. You might want to take an umbrella. It looks like rain. It's nicer than you should.
And the opposite, for a strong suggestion, you'll want to, you'll want to see this. It's amazing.
Yes, that's like saying you really should. And for agreeing easily, we say, whatever you want.
That means, I'm okay with your choice. Do you want pasta or rice? Whatever you want, dear.
Very good. And a loving phrase is, all I want is for your biggest wish.
All I want is for you to be safe. That's very caring.
It is. And finally, a very common question about the past is, did you get what you wanted?
Like after shopping or a birthday. Did you get the book you wanted?
Exactly. You did a fantastic job with all those phrases, Jack.
It's because I have a great teacher. I always get what I want from these lessons.
Oh, stop it. That's another phrase. To get what you want means to achieve your desire. See, you're a natural.
I just wanted to make you smile.
Well, you did. Success.
Sometimes I hear the phrase want for nothing. It sounds strange. If you want for nothing, do you want nothing?
Ah, good ear. It's an old-fashioned but nice phrase. To want for nothing means you have everything you need. You lack nothing. It's often for children or loved ones.
Oh, so it's positive. Like, her parents are very kind. She wants for nothing.
Perfect example. It means they give her everything she needs.
Interesting. What about want in and want out? I hear these in movies.
Those are very informal but common. To want in means you want to join a plan, a project, or a group. Like, you're starting a band? I want in.
Cool. And to want out means the opposite. You want to leave a situation.
Exactly. It often means you are unhappy or bored with a situation and you want to escape it. This meeting is 3 hours long. I want out.
I can understand that feeling. Okay, another one. Whatever you want. We use this a lot, right?
We do. It means any choice is okay with me. It's very relaxed. We can have tea or coffee, whatever you want. But be careful, sometimes people say it when they are a little annoyed.
Really?
Yes, if you ask someone, what do you want to do, 10 times, and they keep saying, I don't know, you might finally say, fine, whatever you want, with a different tone.
Oh, the tone is important, I see. What about the phrase, I want what's best for you?
That is a very caring, loving phrase. It means your happiness and success are my biggest wish. A parent says to a child, I only want what's best for you.
That's a beautiful meaning. So it's not about a thing, it's about a good life for someone.
Yes. Now, sometimes we use want in a warning, like, you won't want to miss this.
That means it's very good or important, so you should see it.
Right. The sunset is beautiful tonight. You won't want to miss it. It's a strong recommendation.
And a similar one, you'll want to see this, like when you have funny news.
Exactly. Now, a useful question is, what more could you want?
When do we say that?
When something is already perfect. Imagine we are at the beach on a sunny day with good friends and good food. I could say, look at this. What more could you want? It means, this is everything. It's perfect.
I love that. It's like being very grateful. And what does if you want my advice mean?
We say that before we give an opinion, especially if no one asked for it. It's a polite way to start. If you want my advice, you should wear the blue shirt. It looks nice on you.
And sometimes people say, I don't want to hear it.
Yes, that's a strong phrase. It means stop talking. I don't want to hear your excuses or bad news. You say it when you are frustrated or angry.
Okay, so not a phrase for a happy conversation. What about more than you'll ever want?
That's often a joke about having too much of something. If I cook a huge pot of soup, I might say, there's enough here for more than you'll ever want.
And the last one I thought of is, if there's anything you want. It sounds very generous.
It is. It's a very kind offer to help or get something for someone. You say it to a guest in your home. Make yourself comfortable. If there's anything you want, just ask.
So it's like saying, my house is your house.
Exactly. You understand all these phrases so well, Jack.
I just wanted to be sure about the meanings. Get it?
I do. And to want to be sure is a great common phrase. It means to wish for certainty. Perfect end to our review.
We talked a lot about the word want today.
We really did. I'm so proud of you. You practice listening, you learn so many new phrases, and you use them in sentences. That's amazing.
Thank you. It was fun. You make it easy. But my brain is full now.
I understand. A full brain is a good brain. But remember, you don't need to remember everything today. Just one or two things.
That's good advice. I think I will remember I wanted for the past and I'll want for the future.
Perfect choices. Those are so useful. If you practice just those, you will be great.
And everyone watching, remember this. Practice a little English every day. It is the best way. You don't need to study for hours.
Exactly. Just 5 minutes. Talk to yourself in the mirror. Think, what do I want for breakfast? In English, little moments are powerful.
Yes, like right now, I want a cup of tea.
See? You're practicing. And later you can say, I wanted a cup of tea, so I made one.
And tomorrow morning, I will want coffee.
There you go. You're using all 3 tenses. You're a star.
Oh, stop. So what is our question of the day for our friends?
Right. Our question of the day is, what is something you really want to do this year?
That's a big question. It can be anything. Maybe you want to visit a new city, or you want to learn to cook something, or you want to make a new friend.
All wonderful ideas. Please write your answer in the comments below. We read every single comment and we love to see your English.
It makes us so happy, really. And while you are there, if you want,
You can like this video. It helps other learners find us.
and if you want to see more,
You can subscribe to our channel. We make new videos every week to help you.
thank you so much for learning with us today. It was a pleasure.
A real pleasure. Take care of yourselves and remember,
It's okay to just say what you want.
bye for now.
Goodbye.